Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert iPhone video to slow motion. So first of all, you will just tap for the App Store and download this video editor software which is called CapCut. So I already installed in my device. We will just find and just tap for setup. So I already just selected this video. First of all, I want to just play this video and check the duration and the speed. Okay, so this is the normal video and I want to just slow in this video to apply some effect. So if I just tap for in a part and just find click to this video and there's an option of split, just tap it and just second apart again just tap for split. So after here you will see this is the path and I want to just select it and I want to just slow motion of this part. Just tap for the speed button which is bottom and I want to just tap for normal and we will just put back for the slow motion and let's see how it's work. So in this way, you will just have to convert iPhone video to slow motion. It is choice of your. You will just have to more increase of slow motion like this, and let's see again. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.